Hi guys, so we're going to make some sweet potato porridge today. So if you want to come and see the ingredients, it should only take like 5 minutes. So we've got 2 cups of rolled oats. Just going to pop this in. A cup of buckwheat, which we have 1/4 cup of oat groats. We're missing those today. 1/4 cup of millet. You don't want too much millet, but it gives it a good texture. And then 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. Now we go for 1/3 cup of peanuts. We're going to pre-chop them. Maybe more like half. I like just so there's a few little chunks left. And all this is food processor where we're going to add the molasses. Now it's a cup of molasses. So we're going to add it a little bit at a time. Try another time, we might have to mix a little in the bowl. Okay, just going to give that one last mix. Nice. Now, we pre-grease our sheet. So I'm going to grease our little rolling pin. This will help distribute things. I'm going to get this on the pan and in the oven. Well, speaking of oven, we really should have preheated it, but regardless. Give them, I say, 20 minutes. They'll be ready. Enjoy, guys. An extra 10 minutes to these. And maybe every 10 minutes or so, it's a good idea to just roll over them again because they'll puff up in spots. But somewhere around 30 minutes, get some nice and crispy. And then you want to cut them instantly. Hot. Alright consistency and good flavor. So, I'll call it a success. Thanks y'all for watching. Good success with making your own.